Kajol is a popular Indian actress who mainly appears in Bollywood films. She is mostly popularly known for her role of Simran Singh in the film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. Biography. Kajol was born as Kajol Mukherjee on 5 August 1974 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Her friends call her with the name Cats. When she was very young, her parents got separated and she was grown up by her maternal grandmother. Since childhood, she took an interest in dancing and acting. At the age of only 16, she started her career in acting and even dropped out of the school to work as a full-time actress. She achieved lots of success at a very young age. Kajol and her aunt Nutan Bahal holds the record of winning the maximum 5 Best Actress awards. In 2011, she was honored with the Padma Shri by the Government of India. Physical appearance. Kajol is approximately 5'3" tall and weighs around 58 kgs. Her natural as well as beautiful hazel eyes and cheekbones easily attract anyone. She has black hairs. Family. She hails from a filmy background as her late father Shomu Mukherjee was a film director and producer. And her mother Tanuja Samarth is an actress. Her father was Bengali while her mother is Maharashtrian. Her father was died in 2008 due to cardiac arrest. She has a younger sister Tanisha Mukherjee who is also an actress. She's the cousin of Rani Mukherjee, Sharbani Mukherjee, Monish Bahal and Ayan Mukherjee. She is Hindu by religion. On 24 February 1999, she got married to actor Ajay Devgan. They first met in Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra on the set of the film Gunda Raj. The couple has a daughter Naisa and son Yug. Career. She did her schooling at St. Joseph Convent School, Panchgani, Maharashtra, India. During her school days, she used to participate in dance competitions and many extra other circular activities. She dropped out of schooling to pursue her acting career. She made her acting debut in 1992 by playing the lead role of Radhika in the Bollywood film Bekhudi. After that, she did numerous hit films like Bazigar 1993 and Karan Arjun. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, कुछ कुछ होता है, हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं, कभी खुशी कभी गम, My Name is Khan, Dilwale, etc. are her popular films. Apart from Bollywood, she acted in some Tamil films. She also acted in an animated film. In 2008, she judged the dance and singing competition show Rock and Roll Family that aired on Zee TV. Controversy. Her 25-year-old friendship with Karan Johar ended in 2016 because her husband Ajay Shivai and Karan Johar film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil clashed on the same day. The difference arose to such an extent that Karan Johar also said that I don't have a relationship with Kajol anymore. We had a fallout, something happened that disturbed me deeply, which I will not talk about because it's something that I like to protect and feel it would not be too fair to her or to me. After 2.5 decades, Kajol and I don't talk at all. We just acknowledge each other, say hello, and walk past. However, Kajol showed the first gesture of reconciliation when she liked a post of Karan's twins, Yash and Ruhi. Later, she also invited him to a party where they patched up. Facts about Kajol. In 2000, she launched an online portal with the name Cine Explore for Ajay Devgan's production company, Devgan Entertainment and Software Limited. Apart from producing films, the company makes software for the TV and music videos. In 2006, miniature dolls of Kajol, Shah Rukh, Hrithik Roshan, Priyanka Chopra were launched under the name of Bollywood legends in the UK. She is also a social activist. In 2008, she received the Karma Veer Puruskar for her social work with children and widows. The super hit film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge in 1995 of her maintains the record of reaching more than 1,000 consecutive weeks, screening in a single cinema, Maratha Mandir, Mumbai. She is not conscious about fashion and likes to wear decent outfits. Moreover, she likes online shopping and is not much brand conscious. She cannot cook at all. She is a very sociable person who enjoys the company of women older than her. She appeared on the cover of various popular magazines like LA, Vogue, etc. In 2010, Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan became the first Indian actors to be invited at NASDAQ for the opening of the American Stock Exchange. Shah Rukh Khan and Ajay Devgan are her all-time favorite actors, and Sri Devi is her all-time favorite actresses. Aditya Chopra is her favorite director. She likes to read during her free time, and her favorite book is Notes to Myself, My Struggle to Become a Person by Hugh Prather. Her favorite color is white. She loves to spend her holidays in Europe. Her favorite foods are pizza, french fries, and spaghetti salad with olives. If she is not in the field of acting, she would have been a psychiatrist. She has a Mercedes-Benz SUV car. She gets paid around 9 to 12 crore per film and her net worth is 16 million.